If you're looking for something fun to do on a rainy day in Fort Walton Beach, don't worry, we got you. Today we're going to Fort Skate, Surge Adventure Park, Fort Walton Beach Bowl, and Suds N Cinema. Inside Fort Skate, they have skating, arcade games, a playground, and of course, food. They also have some lockers that you can store your belongings in. They do offer skate rentals, regular roller skates, inline skates, or you can bring your own. They also have a place where you can host your own birthday or somebody else's birthday. For food options, you have pizza, pretzels, ice cream, even ices. They offer different packages for skating that include the arcade, the playground, or just skating itself.
We went with the $20 package, which allows Terry to roller skate and me to use $10 in the arcade to try my hand at winning something great. Check out my winnings. Oh. I'm gonna go turn my winnings into a prize before Terry goes skating, because then I'll have something to do while she's rolling around on the floor. I'm gonna be a magician.
Got my skates? Let's hope I don't break my neck. First step, standing up.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. No, I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb.
I survived 15 feet. Next up, Fort Walton Beach Bowl. We're here on a rainy day, and so is everyone else. It is absolutely packed. They have 24 lanes. All 24 lanes are full. But besides the bowling, they also have a snack bar and Striker Sports Pub. Prices are pretty reasonable. It's $5 a game plus shoes, and they have a cotton candy machine. Their snack bar is huge. They've got fried pickles, fried mushrooms, wings, chicken tenders, pizza, hamburgers, popcorn, everything you could ever wish for while you're sticking your finger in dirty holes to eat. They even have 2 pool tables and some air hockey. Made it to our next stop. It's still pouring rain. We're at Surge Adventure Park. It's located behind Santa Rosa Mall. And there's also a movie theater in this parking lot as well. But it's not the one we're going to today. We've got one that's a little bit more unique. Okay. Let's go inside and check out Surge. Here at Surge, they not only have their trampoline area, they've got concessions, arcade games, even an area set up just for birthday parties, and a climbing wall. And don't forget, for the parents, massage chairs. Let's go exploring. They even have an area just for smaller kids. They have multiple rooms for birthday parties, and they're pretty big. You could pack a lot of people in there. There's plenty of seating all around the jumping area, so you can keep an eye on your kids while they're jumping.
We're now in downtown Fort Walton Beach, where we're going to check out Suds N Cinema, which is the movie theater right in downtown Fort Walton Beach. We're slipping in the backside of Suds N Cinema, which is the movie theater in downtown Fort Walton Beach. And like we mentioned, this one's a little unique. It has the whole throwback vibes of an older movie theater. They have one showing a night, one time, one movie. But what they also do have is tables and chairs in there so you can sit and enjoy dinner while you watch your movie. We've heard great things about their menu. They have pizza, they have specialty sausages, and then they also have a number of different panini sandwiches. It's a small, intimate setting, but it really does harken back to yesteryear. The prices are low and the experiences are high. And they're just finishing up this amazing mural on the backside of the theater. You got Home Alone, Rocky Horror Picture Show. I can see right over here where they're working on the Back to the Future portion of this party. If anybody knows anything about us, we love Back to the Future. And that's not just because we saw Leah Thompson at Pensacon last year, which if you haven't seen that video, we'll link right here.
This mural would make a great photo op if you're here on vacation. Maybe just don't come in the rain. Comment below and let us know which movie from this mural that's your favorite.
I know for me personally, it's the one they're still working on right here.
My favorite's probably Home Alone. Kevin!
Next, we're taking you to our favorite rainy day food spot, Peppers in Shalimar, Florida.
I do have to warn you, we messed up with the microphone, and so we're going to be doing this completely voiceover. One of my favorite all-time soups, and especially on rainy days or days I'm not feeling well, is this chicken tortilla soup. It's light, it's herbal, it's effervescent, it's all the things you want in a soup, and so much more.
They have an extensive menu and some new birria options. We went with the family-sized birria pizza quesadilla. It's enough to feed your whole family and then some. It's layers of tortillas, meat, and cheesy goodness, and a birria dipping sauce.
Peppers has been known for their giant margaritas and 2-for-1 specials, but what they're going to be known for is their own branded tequila, which is out now at all your Peppers locations. In case you were wondering, I ordered the soup, Terry ordered the quesadilla, and right here, 2 people during cold and flu season sharing a bowl of soup. Not advisable, but this soup definitely is advisable. It's one of the best soups I've ever had. I think about it often. I love it, and I want more of it.
It's got chunks of chicken, avocado, tortilla strips, and a super nice broth. What more could you ask for?
But now it's time to put down the soup spoons and bust out this mammer jammer. It's 7 layers of tortillas, meat, cheese, ooey gooey goodness with that dipping sauce. Oh my, this is our favorite thing to eat when we are sad or we are feeling down about ourselves, because this is a quick pick-me-upper. It is delicious, crispy, and always juicy and cheesy.
It's also drippy and good, so bring a stack of napkins because you're going to need them. It's going to get all over you.
Thanks again for following along in this episode, and join us next time when we try something else new for the first time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First timers, high five.